Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to build MLM Lead Capture Pages and make it very easy for you. This company is called the Conversion Pros. You can actually take a trial for just $1 and get full access to the system. They have a landing page builder in here, autoresponders that are built in, email broadcasters, blogging, TinyURL, generic marketing videos, mobile website builder coming very soon, SMS broadcast, voicemail broadcaster, auto dialer, and you can even purchase hot MLM leads for your business. This capture page builder works with any company, any product, any service. It is 100% generic in nature, and you could use it with anything. So that being said, let's jump into it. So when I click on a landing page builder, you'll see all these different templates that are available to you, and more are getting added. Some have video and some do not have video. So if you want to lead with a video page, you can, or you can just lead with any of these pages. So let me just go ahead and show you one. I'm just going to click on a template. The template comes up just like this, and on the template itself you can do a lot of changes very easy. One of the things is there is no technical skills, there's no coding, there's anything confusing. Let me show you how easy it is. For example, we have background images already built in if you choose to use these, and I'll just show you a few. We have, let's say you're in a travel company, we have several different great travel backgrounds, you know, all kinds of landscapes. We also have just regular cool anything backgrounds, realistically. Let's say you want a static background that just has some color, very easy to do. Maybe you're in a city, maybe you do video marketing, maybe you want to talk about money. Again, another great city background. I'm just scrolling through these. As you can see, I'm doing one click of the mouse and they're changing. So that being said, we got texture backgrounds. Keep scrolling through here. A lot of different cool texture backgrounds. Again, one click of the mouse changes it. It doesn't get any easier than that. We got beach backgrounds. We have cars. We have success. We have movies. We have, let's see here, money. Very cool contemporary backgrounds. There's cars. There's gold. There's Facebook marketing. There's briefcase full of cash. There's Facebook. Tons of people. What else is in here? We got luxury cars, beaches, weight loss. We have fitness. We have wood backgrounds, sky backgrounds. There's coffee. There's eyelashes. There's smoothies. There's fitness. There's luxury cars. There's makeup. What else is here? More clouds, high-end living, cool backgrounds, and then more fitness. So you name it, more makeup, travel, fitness. So you name it, it's back here. But let's say you didn't like any of these backgrounds. Let's say you were in a different company that needed something different. So you could click on here and go to Google and type in whatever you want. Maybe you wanted a different type of money background. I could type in money. I can literally go to Google and click on images, and I can take any of these backgrounds I want. So let's say I like this stack of $100 bills here. I could click on it, copy the image, immediately go back, click on provide background, and within one click of a mouse, change the background to that. This works with any image. You can go Google anything in any category, any product or service. Now let me show you how easy it is to change text color. So if I wanted this red instead of white, I can go to that, or I can just drag it down and choose any color I want. If I wanted pink, I could do pink. If I wanted green, I could do green. Very easy to make changes. If I want to change the text to say something, this capture page is so easy to create. If you could type in a Word document, you could type on this. So you have to see this presentation. And what you can do, let's say you wanted to make this text bigger. All you got to do is draw an arrow. I mean, just slide it across. You can make it as big as you want. Let's say you wanted it to stand out a little bit more. We have backgrounds with one click. You can put something behind it so it pops. There's even shadows that you can do. For example, I'll go back up here. If I wanted to do a text shadow and make it red, you can see how that shadow now is behind there, where I can literally come and play with the background shadow, or I could do what we call a spread and kind of give you a glow effect. Okay, all this is 100% editable. All this text, you can change colors and what it says and everything to make it very, very easy for you to change things around. So if I wanted this white, bam, just like that. If I didn't want this line of text here, I could delete it. If I don't want this line of text, I could delete it. So as you can see, it's very, very easy. Let me just show you here. You'd have a very dynamic looking page. All that is very editable. And if I didn't want this money background here, I could go and make a beach instantly. One click. So anybody can do one click. So you would save your page here, name your page. You would assign it, tell it where it wants to go when you want to click this button. Which is really great because we have landing pages built in too, where you could build landing pages with videos that do not have an opt-in form. So after they click this button, if you want to take them to a presentation page, you can. That's built in the system, or you can just redirect them to your corporate website. By the way, the button color is changeable as well. Everything on this thing is absolutely changeable. Let's say I wanted that Caribbean blue water, bam, just like that. If I wanted cool little shadow around the button, instantly change. And then you can actually set up you can actually capture name, email, and phone number, just name or email, or if you just want to make a landing page, you could just have a page that has a button with a call to action. And then you could set up as many autoresponders as you want. You would select whatever autoresponder that you set up in the system, and then when they click this button or enter their information, well, for an autoresponder, they'd have to enter their information. They would be added to your autoresponder here and start to get your message sequence. Again, this thing is very easy to use. If you need unlimited, you get unlimited capture pages, unlimited designs, unlimited autoresponders are included with the Conversion Pros. Now, that being said, let me come back here and click on a video page. We have several different video templates that you can use. The functionality works exactly like the functionality of the other one, as where you can come in here and instantly change the background to anything you want, whether it's from Google or whether it's one of our templates. You could easily change the backgrounds just like that. Put anything you want back there, change all the text, change all the text colors. Again, is exactly like what I just showed you. Very editable. All this text is editable, all these bullet points, all the text, the button color, everything. And by the way, I don't know if I showed this in the last one, but you can actually choose what kind of font you want. So we have all kinds of different fonts. If you choose to do a different font here, you can choose all kinds of different fonts as well. So we make it kind of nice to do that. So now let me just show you how quick you can put a video on the page. This could be any video that you want, any video off of YouTube. As long as it's on YouTube, it can be unlisted. Let's say this is you talking. This could be it could be a presentation or your company video.
Something fun because we were going to talk.
I'll just take this Jimmy Fallon video real quick. Everybody loves Jimmy. Edit text, hit paste. In 1 second, you can take any video
we're talking during the commercial
off of YouTube and have really high-end video pages. You could also make this into a video landing page if you want. For example, let's say they've already opted in and I wanted to have a video that talked about my business, but I don't want them to opt in again because they already did. Check this out. I go down to form settings, click on none, and now what I have is a landing page where after they opted in, and let's say they got to this page, they're watching your corporate video, you got all your bullet points, you got them excited, and when they click this button, instead of take a free tour, we could easily write join now, click here, and then you can use your custom redirect over here to redirect them to whatever your home-based business website is where they can join you, your network marketing or MLM company. Okay, and so you could have custom pages set up, video pages. You get unlimited pages in the system. If you are technical challenged, you will love this system because it is very, very easy to do that. Everything is hosted with us. You don't need to go get your own domains. Everything I'll show you here. When you have once you get done building a site, you click on get a link. and it'll give you a link that you can use. Or we even have a teeny URL system built in where you could take long links and make them short. For example, this is built in. So here was a longer link here, and it gives me this nice short little link I can go advertise all over the internet. And it actually, believe it or not, even tracks your traffic. So if you click on logs, I'll actually see where all the traffic is coming from that's being sent to this website. That's very, very exciting. I can actually see all the traffic that's coming in. Let me show you one other one. For example, many of you watching this that are in home-based business may do some advertising like on SafeList or things like that, and you want to know if you're actually getting traffic. Well, if you built pages on our system and you used our teeny URL, and then use this to track, you can see Daily Talk ads right here, youreasylist.com, youreasylist.com, my instant list, all these solo wave info. I can see where I'm actually posting ads and if those sources are actually sending me traffic. This is all built into the Conversion Pros. Again, you can get started for only $1. And there's a lot more back here that I can't even get in this video. So if you're looking on a way to build capture pages for your MLM business or company, you can do that. By the way, you're also able to share. You're going to have a code where if anybody else goes and your team goes and buys the system, you'll be able to give them a code to replicate the websites that you built, replicate your autoresponders, so they could just put that code in there and they're up and running very fast, and you have a massive duplicatable replicating capture page system that you're giving your people. Again, get started for $1. Go over to the conversionpros.com. It's only $1 to get started for 7 days. Take a trial and see what you think about it. Talk to you later.